Yeah, don't wait for Reggie to call. I want to salute, I think I've seen Shib already has put hers up. Yes. And some others, yes. But let's have all of us put up that artwork, yeah? Like we always do, yeah? Like we always do when the show is there, FIFA Maker is there, when Jasmine's show happened, everyone posted. So let's post Reggie's concert.
One more last thing.
Yes.
We have tickets in Barara. They are on ground. They are selling them on at Global Petrol Station and Global Bus Station. They are selling them. Details, you get them from there, but they are selling them at home in Barara. Yes.
I was told there are buses that are coming. What's the arrangement?
The arrangement is you get your ticket. After getting the ticket, the transport is reduced by 2, like by half.
By half?
Yeah. You just get transport.
Any bus I find in Imbarara with my ticket?
For now, global buses. For now.
Global buses?
Yes.
So if you're in Imbarara and you're coming for Reggie's concert, first buy the ticket.
Yes, you get your ticket in hand. Global, when you get at Global Bus Station, you get the ticket. When you get at Global Petrol Station, you get the ticket for now. More information, you are going to get it from our social handles. Yes.
Kenenga Tobaza Katondolo Bulamwe is a nice guy, very humble. Many people testify. Zembere Nangene Bambuza, Muganda Reggie Mani, Reggie. So I think it's time. And I'm happy that now we are counting days. So every Ugandan, wherever you are, supporting Reggie and also support Uganda. You know, Davido Wajana Nafuna Bantu Kololo, Gunaja Nafuna Bantu Kololo. How about our own? And now this is Reggie. Abanyankore Mwena Ndiuni Mbeta, Abachiga, Abatoro, Ulijolman. Anti-influence.
What's the name of best man?
Never best man, Dad.
You know, most of us like do extra concerts. Most of the artists in Kampala put extra concerts in Barara. So I think that's one of the ways we actually get a chance to cross over and go and spread the gospel in Barara. Apart from, of course, aside social media and everything, you know, because we do mainstream music. But then today is about my brother, Reggie. The first time I went to Barara, the biggest name I ever had was Reggie, definitely. And then the fact that Reggie has said his main concert this time is not in Barara. It's in Kampala, not only in Kampala, but Cricket Oval. For me, that was a blow. Like, I was like, wow, yes. This is the spirit we have. This is the spirit we need. If you look at the drop I did for Reggie, I want us to bridge that gap. Let us bridge the gaps between Simanya Abayimbibe Kampala Central, Simanya Abayimbibe Barara, Atabe Bali, Atabewa. This is what we need. Like, we need to do this. I want more artists from Barara to come and put shows in Kampala. I want more artists from the north, from east, come and make concerts in Kampala. Let us bridge the gaps, the regional gaps that we've been having, the propaganda. So for me, I'm so proud of Reggie. That's why I said I have to be here with him and do this, because I know what it means, because I just had my concert a month ago too, 1 month ago. So I know what it really means, and you have all our support. We are going to be there this Friday, come Friday, Global Cricket Oval. You'll see us there, and please come out and support the Barara biggest star.
Before I let you go, somebody may ask, by the time Reggie, we have to tell Reggie, I think about $1 million. Do you do this for money in times like this?
Not really, not at all. This is a concert, like I said, I just had one a few months ago. I know what it means when you need support from your fellow artists. So the Reggie said I found a missed call of Reggie, and I actually forgot to call back. I was caught up somewhere, and you know what? My sister come through for me at the presser. This is what I was doing a few months ago for artists to come through for me, and they did. Those who did it, those who didn't do it. So I know what it meant. I said, my brother, I'm coming.
Where you can get these tickets, you're going to come through at Next Media. That is Naguru. Come with your national ID.
First time Reggie does a big show at Cricket Oval, but he's done another one previously before at Imperial Royal Hotel. So, but this particular one means a great deal to his career and all the other young artists out there that are thriving to be as big as he is. So come through, let's show him love. It's for a good goes 100%. Before we go any further, I want to salute all the partners, the sponsors that are behind this event, but also we have a long list of artists.
Yeah, that's it. It's a public holiday. That's it. You through to cricket home. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna see you get home, everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, this is Rhythm Selector. Come Friday. Come see beautiful things. Come see Basheshe.
Yeah, when on Friday, this will be there. It's gonna be massive.
We'll close this side. The Luigi come last.
Okay. Wakamera okay, nga tumaliriza Ssaabategesi era generational promoter Norbert Events bakola ku Lwokutaano mwena mugweyo mu ngeri enjawulo kati senza si yaffe abadigize abanyumira omuziki genda kuba mu cricket kogo lugogo ibyo ebyabo.
Okay, Roger, 1 second.
Yeah, 10th of May, it's a public holiday as Alex Mahadi said. And if you miss, you might not go in heaven. So make sure you come get your ticket for that.
Mazina ni Truth 256 representing to the fullest. Olwagatano nimbasaba mwena abalyoko mwena Uganda mwijed supporting a Reggie, mwijed supporting a We Celebrate Music. And support ni tindio bamba bara mubabagambire tindio nyoza kwija wige ukurataho. Robert, I'm next. True.
Mwena ntubeta ebiro 10 bya May mwije muhagire music, not purposely only Reggie, but music at large. Be the first to know. Funomugisha okumanya talent nsya eziyozije.
Ne ngatemwera bidi wagenda kubayo nyash. Don't forget. So if you miss, that's on you.
Yes.
And there is money. So please, the girls come around. Men, they're gonna be nyash. Come around.
Honestly, guys, I'm super excited about this. This is not just a concert, it's a revolutionary concert.
Yeah.
For the first time ever. Chine Chintureji kati akoze history. We're going to mark like the very first, you're going down in books, the very first regional artist to do this. The biggest, this is like one of the biggest artists in the country. Actually, Reggie is the mubaimbi bangabasajja mu Uganda mwali kulaina. You know, I'm so proud of it. If you don't want to be a part of this revolutionary concert, then I don't know what you're doing. Come and support Bambi. Let's make this a habit. Muna baimbi abala mwena in all regions, come to Kampala. Let's do this. Let's unite. Let's bridge the gaps there in between. Yeah. So kati nze chenjaga Reggie chebatana bakogerako where we getting the tickets, abantu bagala tickets. I think that's very important, and we haven't actually talked about it before.
And the tables.
The tables. I saw 1 million and 2 million, right? 20K, right? And 50K. So Friday, see you guys there. Support the biggest artist right now.
Thank you so much, Lydia. Just one question from Joelia, then we pass the mic over to
a reduced price or half price on Momo app. You pay 10K for ordinary, then 25 for VIP. That is Momo app. Then you can get our tickets on most of Starbucks stations. Yeah, you can get our hard copy tickets, but those ones are full price. Yes. Tables, we have a flyer out there with numbers. You can contact us and you get those tables. Yes, we have platinum and 2 million and gold at 1 million. Yes. Lastly, I thank NBS. From the bottom of my heart, I thank NBS for being on board. Right? They have really geared this up. From the day they got on board, everything turned for only good. We have only gotten good results from NBS being on board. It has given us